Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact destination, the phone number or email shown, including the country code. Once done, make sure your device has signal and airplane mode is off. Restart radio if needed. Next, temporarily disable any spam filters, third-party SMS blockers, or carrier message controls because they often intercept one-time codes. Finally, keep the account page open and request the code immediately so you can watch for delivery in real time. Now trigger the code and control which channel it uses. Press resend, choose call me or switch to email if those options exist. If available, set up or use an authenticator app for an instant code. It avoids SMS entirely. Clear the app cache, update the app, or open the site in a different browser or device to bypass client-side blocking. Simultaneously, use a backup phone number if you have one. Switching the destination often reveals where delivery is failing. Finish by documenting what you tried. Timestamps, the displayed sender or SID, and screenshots, then contact your carrier and the service support. Ask the carrier to trace the SMS route and remove any blocks on the originating number. This solves most provider filtering. If support can't help quickly, request manual verification or a temporary access code from the service. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing arrives, activate an authenticator app or alternate phone number right away to regain access while carriers investigate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.